Hello?
Yes, bro, what's up?
What is the plan for tomorrow's meeting?
Bro, don't worry. All set. Just wait and watch what happens tomorrow.
Okay, good. By the way, what is your plan for the night?
My work has just got over. I'll go to sleep now.
Sleeping so early? This is the best time for romance.
You know a lot. Bro, should I say something? You should also get married. Life after getting married gets exciting.
Bro, we don't find good girls these days.
You have to find one to get one. Okay, listen. We'll meet tomorrow in the morning. Bye.
Don't you dare to touch me. If you really want to make love, then go to those girls with whom you keep talking on phone all day.
Seema, there is nothing like that. Tomorrow we have an important meeting. I was talking to Sumit regarding that.
Stop lying to me. I'm sure that you're talking to some random girl, I know that. Who talks to a friend that too laughing that madly?
Okay, if you don't believe me, check my phone.
Showing me your phone after deleting all the messages?
Listen, you are overreacting for no reason.
Am I overreacting? You go out and fuck around with other girls and you think I shouldn't react? As if it doesn't bother me at all?
Yes, Sumit. Yes, bro, I'm just leaving. Same place. In 10 minutes. Okay, come fast. See you soon. Uncle! Uncle, get the coffee quickly. Yes, sir, yes, sir. What, uncle? You are so late. Coffee is amazing.
Sir, may I say something?
Say.
I hope you won't offend.
Now, why would I offend you? Say.
The way you and ma'am fight every day doesn't feel good.
Even I don't like to fight every day. But what the thing is, till the time she doesn't fight with me, she doesn't feel like eating.
But then one thing is for sure, she is pure-hearted.
That is true. She's of a pure heart.
Sometimes she also shouts at me, but I never feel bad.
Yes, uncle, let me tell you. You are like a family to us, and she respects you a lot.
Okay, so early morning you're bitching about me.
Nothing like that, Seema.
You don't have any work to do? Go to the kitchen, do your work. And you, don't you feel ashamed? Now you started bitching about me even to the servants.
Seema, we were just talking about you, not bitching.
You think I'm a fool? I understand everything.
I don't want any fight in the morning. I'm getting late for the office.
So what's up? You look very sad. Did you again had a fight with your wife?
Bro, how do I tell you? With Seema, it happens every day.
Yeah, but what is it that she's always paranoid?
Listen, bro, if I tell you, you will start laughing.
What is so funny about it?
One night when I was kissing her, by mistake I called out my ex-girlfriend Anjali's name. That's it. And since that time, Seema thinks that I have an affair with a lot of girls outside. And I still love my ex-girlfriend Anjali. I told her, but she doesn't understand.
So you try to make her believe that there is no one except her in your life. That is simple. Take her to shopping with you. Take her to different places. You shouldn't be so busy in your office. Get some time for your wife.
I have already tried everything. But what do I do? She's still the same.
Chill, man. You just keep on trying. Everything will be fine.
Let's see.
Don't you have some shame?
Madam, I came to ask what will you have in dinner?
Go to the kitchen. I'm coming there.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
You idiot! Don't you have some shame? Don't you know that you should knock before entering the room? Hopeless people like you always have bad eyes and bad intentions on others. Such a rascal.
Uncle. Where is madam?
She's in her room. She's very angry and very furious.
It is all my fault. I promised her that I will take her to movie, but I got so busy in work that I didn't get time.
I can't imagine that you can stoop so low. Day and night you keep bitching about me to this bloody servant.
No, ma'am. I think you have misunderstood.
You stop this nonsense. You bloody servant, I'll deal with you later. I can't deal with primitive minds like you. Get lost.
Seema, I am telling you it is nothing like that. You are misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding? Do I have a misunderstanding? You keep on bitching to this servant about me. You say that I have a misunderstanding. All the time you keep me with this servant at home and you don't come home early. You don't have time for me even 2 minutes, but you have hell lot of time to fuck around outside. You never talk to me nicely, but you keep on laughing and giggling with other girls on phone. Don't you ever get free from your phone.
Seema, cool down.
Don't you dare to touch me. Now you wait and watch. Now when you see me with someone else in the same bed, then you will realize what have you lost.
Never say this nonsense again. Seema! Hey Seema, open the door. Seema, try to understand, Seema. Okay, my love, I'm sorry. Okay, go to hell.
Sir, please have your dinner. Sir,
I don't feel hungry. You go and eat, then go to your house.
okay, sir. I'll come in the morning.
Hmm.
Hello, my name is Seema, and I have a doubt on my husband that he has affair with lots of girls outside. Whenever I see him, he is always talking to other girls on the phone. God knows with whom he is talking and chatting. Even I've seen him roaming with other girls around the town. He even bitches to the servant about me all the time. Now I have no purpose to live. I'm leaving this world for good.
Sir is sleeping till now. Madam,
Yadav, send these to the forensic lab
Okay, sir.
and call a ladies constable. Make a detailed report and send it for post-mortem.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Vivek, after the post-mortem, you can claim the body for funeral and come to the police station for declaration.
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
sir, Ramesh Kumar, sir. But they used to call me Uncle Ramu.
Why did you kill your own ma'am?
What? No, sir. Why would I even kill her? They have helped a helpless person like me so much, and they gave me work.
Because at the night of the incident, your madam said you a lot of bad words, and that's why out of anger you murdered her.
No, sir. It is true that she scolded me, and I felt very bad. But that doesn't mean I killed her.
Okay, tell me, how was her nature?
Sir, ma'am was very good in nature, but she always used to fight with sir. And even that day, they had a huge fight. But as usual, sir did not say a single word to ma'am. Sir is a nice person.
Okay, you can go now. But whenever we say, you have to come over here. Mr. Vivek, how was your relation with your wife?
Sir, I used to love her a lot. And we had a very good relationship. But she had a very weird nature. She used to get angry for no reason.
Your servant Ramesh told us that night you had a fight with your wife. Is that true?
Sir, actually, this happens every day in a house. She gets angry for no reason, and we have a fight in a house every day. And the same happened that day. As soon as I got back from the office, I tried to make her understand but she wouldn't listen. She was very angry. After that, she locked herself inside the room. I tried very hard, but she didn't come out. Finally, after giving up, I slept on the couch. And then in the morning, when my servant told me, I went inside and I saw that Seema.
Do you have a doubt on your servant?
No, sir. He's been working in my house for years now. But yes, sir. Seema had a very weird nature. It might be possible that she committed suicide.
We will find out that it is a suicide or murder. For now, you can go, but whenever we need you, you have to come over here.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Jadhav,
Yes, sir.
what about the forensic and post-mortem report?
I will call them right away, sir. Hello?
Since when do you know Vivek? Sir, Vivek and me, we work in the same company for the last 3 years. Did Vivek used to share his personal thoughts with you? Yes, sir. He used to tell me about his wife, that he is very troubled. So have you met Seema ever? Sir, I met her only once or twice. After that, I didn't get the opportunity to meet her. How was Seema's nature? Sir, she used to doubt on Vivek a lot. She used to shout on her every time. And your friend Vivek, how is his character? He's a very nice person. A decent guy. I have never seen him doing anything wrong.
Sir. Sir, Seema's post-mortem and forensic reports have come. According to the post-mortem report, Seema died because of losing a lot of blood and not because of that cut.
What about the phone? Did it unlock?
Sir, phone has not been unlocked yet.
And forensic report?
Sir, according to the forensic report, the knife which was used to cut Seema's veins, we have found fingerprints of Ramesh Kumar on that knife.
What?
Yes, sir.
Drag him here right now.
Okay, sir.
Liar! Why did you kill your ma'am?
I didn't kill her. No, sir, I didn't kill her at all.
So how did your fingerprints come over the knife from which she was murdered? Say, why did you kill her?
No, sir. I'm telling the truth. Why would I even try to kill her? I just gave food to sir and after that I went back to my home.
Then how did your fingerprints come on it?
No, sir. In the morning when I got there, I went inside ma'am's room. I saw her lying over there and she had lost a lot of blood, sir.
Tell me the truth.
I'm telling the truth, sir. I'm telling the truth.
Jadhav, take him and put him in lockup. Jadhav,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Vivek, the knife which was used to murder your wife, we have found fingerprints of your servant Ramesh on it.
What? How is it possible, sir? Because he went back to his home in the evening and he got back in the morning.
He is also saying the same. Anyways, I want to see the footage of the camera that is outside your house.
Sure, sir.
Jadhav, Vivek's wife was murdered somewhere between 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. And we can clearly see this in the CCTV footage that Vivek's servant Ramesh went in the evening and directly came back in the morning, exactly as he told that he picked up the knife in the morning. Was that true?
Yes, sir.
Anyways, the truth is something different. Jadhav,
Yes,
did that phone unlock or not?
I will find out right now. Sir, Vivek's wife Seema's phone has been unlocked. There is a video in this that will shock you. If he has gone for a business trip, that doesn't mean he's fooling around with girls. You really want to die, don't you?
No, leave me.
I will fulfill your wish.
Mr. Vivek, we have found out who actually killed your wife.
Sir, who is he?
Sir, I don't remember anything. I'm telling the truth. I could never imagine doing such a thing. Sir, I used to love Seema a lot. This is not me, sir. I haven't done this.
Not you. Your dual personality killed your wife.
Dual personality? I didn't understood, sir.
Usually because of depression. A person suffers so much from within that the depression grows so much that it creates another personality. It may be multiple personalities also, which unknowingly tries to help the person in whose body they are. When one personality comes out, the second personality doesn't even have a clue about it. I think that is your problem. This is called dual personality disorder. Maybe something like this happened that night.
Seema, open the door, Seema. Seema. Seema, open the goddamn door.
Now I have no purpose to live.
Seema.
I'm leaving this world for good.
Seema.
Vivek!
Vivek? Who Vivek?
I am Vivek's friend, Sumit. My friend stays upset because of your everyday torture. Because you doubt on him.
Huh? Vivek, what's wrong with you,
And
Vivek?
the one to be blamed for this is you.
Vivek, what are you doing?
If he's talking to someone, that doesn't mean that it's a girl. If he's chatting with someone, that doesn't mean that he's chatting with some another girl. And if he has...
Mr. Vivek, this video proves that you killed your wife with your own hands. And now you have to prove that you have multiple personality disorder, and that too in the court. Yadav,
Yes, sir.
get ready to take him to the court.
Okay, sir.